You have allowed me to make 100 subscribers in 1 month. That's amazing. Thank you. You know, 100 new subscribers in 1 month. Just 1 month since my channel has been on YouTube. And you, my viewers and my subscribers, you are the reason why I have over 100 subscribers. And I am here today to just say thank you. This is such a pleasure for me. It's such an exciting privilege for me to be able to share with you. And for those of you who have come, you have popped in, you have watched, you have even commented. Wow! I can't begin to tell you how excited I am. So I just want to say thanks. My channel is all about keeping you entertained and informed about Jamaica's fascinating, very rich culture and heritage. You can look out for more videos. As much as possible, I'm going to try to get out into people's homes, check people's fireside so we can know how much fire stick a boiling pot. I will be going to events, giving you little snapshots and little mini videos of things that happen so that you can be exposed to as much of Jamaica's daily life and Jamaica's heritage, Jamaica's lifestyle, that which makes our hearts go boof beam, and allows us to feel excited about this little nation that we call Jamaica. I have been listening to my little technical team. I have a little technical team, starting out with the young man who assisted me to set up my channel. A little young man named Nathan Barkley. And of course, he is accompanied by my friend Ashmead, my friend Raphael, my girls Celia and April, and we've just been having a good time experimenting with this thing called a YouTube channel. Every single time I make a new video, I try to improve, I try to learn something new, I try to implement something that I have been taught, and I'm happy to say that it's occurring. We are taking place. So if you continue to help me by dropping me comments, drop me a comment. Some of you drop me comments in Facebook, and some of you send me comments in WhatsApp. I'm happy wherever you give me the shout out, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. I am happy. And I just am grateful that you would consider it important enough to watch, to hit the like button, and also to share with your friends, and of course to comment. So tell me what you want me to talk about. You know, I'll recite Miss Lou's poetry. You know, I'll write and recite my own poetry. I will take you into people's homes. I'll introduce you to cultural practices, cuisine practices, entertainment practices. I will introduce you to aspects of our lifestyle that a lot of persons fear are going down the road and going out the door, because so many of our young people have an interest in so much which is not truly Jamaican. But I have hope, and I am excited because some of my greatest critics, informers and supporters are young people, and they have Jamaica's history, heritage and culture in their hearts. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please just hit the like button. Share this video with somebody who likes Jamaican stories. And if you've not yet done so, remember to subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button down below, so that every time I post a new video, you'll be informed. Look out for what's coming up next week. Remember, I'm not going to disappoint you, and I look forward to sharing with you once again. See you next week.